there is enough. Alright?
Chika-chika lang.
Kumbaga nasa ano kayo, nasa trabaho ninyo. Ito na naman tayo. Start na na. And then, you know what? Candidate number one, alright? So, it's been declined.
I'm gonna make family.
Alright, there's one lesson that you learned in joining this competition. What is it?
It is to never falter, even if the whole world watches. Because you know, this passion taught me how to be confident, how to establish rapport with other people, and how to show the world what I've got. And I believe that with this, great people are born for this prestigious moments. That will be all.
What's your favorite food? Adobo what? Subukan mo ano yung masarap din. Thank you. Ay, kaso na ang acting na lang ako ng pagkakasya. Here we go. Where are the supporters of Candidate number 1? Ayun ako makalimutan! This winning is in the house! There you go! Wala ka pala para kay Mix Winning? Wala po. Tumapakawa ang music ko. Alright, Miss Beautiful. Pero kaya na ako siya na what makes you busy right now?
What makes me busy right now is this competition that despite of my busy schedule that I am an accounting student, I have a lot of things to do with I enjoy this pageant. I have to work hard and persevere so I can make this proud. Thank you. Yes, I have. And I have a boyfriend because I use him as inspiration. Yes, he's here. He's young.
He's very proud and very brave. Ang pangalan ng lalaki, sino pa po itong niloloko ninyo? Nalibot sa kanya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello, candidate number 5. What's your height? 5'8". What age do you want to get married?
I have to study first. That's why I don't think much of when I will marry. But one is for sure that right after I finish my studies and after I manage to help my family, then maybe that will be the right time I'm gonna marry. Thank you.
makes you smile?
What makes me smile is whenever I see my mother smile. Because whenever I see my mother smile, my mood lifts, and it gives me confidence.
Alright. The question is, if you're given a chance to visit one country, what will it be and why?
Paris. I want to visit Paris. I want to see Eiffel Tower, and I want to see the Eiffel Tower.
Paris. Yes. You know what's your favorite in Paris? What's Paris? You are very tall, yet so much pretty, young lady. How young are you?
I'm 20 years old.
You are 20 years old. Rio, hours from now, what is your expectation?
Hours from now, I'm expecting that everyone here is happy with the result, and all of the candidates will be happy with the result because more than competition, this beauty pageant is a showcase of how beautiful Pampanga women are. And hopefully with this pageant, every one of you will be happy and enjoy our little show. Thank you.
Hi. Where are you from? How long will it take you to make a baby?
You can see us over there with beautiful people, with beautiful hearts. And of course, not only beautiful people who are beautiful people with us, but you can see also behind them, there are many beautiful things that you can see. That is delicious.
And let's go. We are now candidates of the 11 and actually candidate number 16. Candidate number 11, if you're ready. Here we go. I saw you last week pageant. I was the event. I would say that you are very talented, right? So aside from dancing or not dancing, what are your best assets?
We have a lot of things that I can do aside from dancing and singing. I also volunteer, and I also play instruments like piano. I also play guitar and drums. But for me, the best asset that I have is not only about my talents, not even my physical aesthetic, but the best asset that I have is I think is my personality. I'm really kind of part of the person. I know how to impart all the blessings that I have. And aside from that, I'm really competent and I'm respectful as well. That's all. Thank you.
Hi. You go to school? I'm still not right. You still go to school? Are you smart already? Are you working? That's not the question. What's keeping you busy? Thank you so much. Now let's Mexico. If you would describe the people of Mexico in 3 words, what would it be?
I believe Mexicanos are respetado, talentado, at malugod Pilipinas. Mexico is not just rich with different authentic Kapampangan cuisines, astonishing places, but it is also filled with different talented people who are hospitable, talented, and great people, which we Mexicanos are showing na yung Mexicano uri ang respetado at talentado.
Viva Mexico! Yes. I like the bonitos de los tamales. Very high. Where you from? You're from Manila? That's fine.
Well, in my place, there is a 400-year-old Baroque church, which we call the Manila Church or the Santa Monica Parish Church. It was bestowed the honor of the National Cultural Treasure by the National Commission for the Cultural Heritage and the National Museum of the Philippines. It's one of the 37 oldest churches, and I believe if you pay a visit in our place, especially in our church, you will definitely feel that every pillar, every detail, every corner has its own story to tell. And I believe that Filipinos are very much having a connection to the Lord. They have this intense faith to the Lord, and that's why I'm very much proud of them. Thank you.
Alright, here we go. Who's this? Candidate number 15. Here we go. Dapat magaling naman ang katanungan ko. Ito yung katanungan ko. Nahihil ako sa forever.
Well, yes, I do believe in forever. Because I know that love is immeasurable and that love is something that is worth having for. And then if you would only wait for the right one, for God says best time, then we will have that forever we all wish for. That would be all.
Pwede ka na yung makakawin sa Here we go. Oh, this lady is from here. So, let's get pretty busy nowadays.
Aside from this island, I'm also a marketing manager at McDonald's as a co-founder. So I'm handling people, and also marketing is about selling your product. So I am proud that I work at McDonald's because it is an international brand.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much. Yes. Our last match, our ladies facing this caption working for you. Let's now call captain number 17. Hello, captain number 17. Where are you from?
I came from beautiful Philippines.
From St. Louis for our supporters. What do you know about St. Alright, so are you kind of watching television? So, what or who is your celebrity idol? Who is the celebrity icon you admire most?
The celebrity that I admire most is Jennifer Aniston. Because even though she's a model, she just has Jennifer Aniston, and she can be
hindi nyo nagtatapos sa pagiging single mom. Pero yun, candidate number 18, go forward, please.
Yun. Kaso na lang mo, aking lang. At ang tatanong ng mga mahihirap na ngayon, pipilis pa lang. Ano mo, ano ba yung dali-dali? Sino ang national hero ng Italy? Ano ito? Alright. You used to live with your parents. Why?
I still live with my parents because my family is always to support me and they never leave me alone. They always there to support me, guide me, and love me. That will be all I think.
Adios.
Is your father married? Thank you.
Okay, so that's candidate number 18. Let's now move on to candidate number 18. Where are the supporters of candidate number 19? You were ready for it? Second time, now I'm going to question. Are you single?
Yes.
So, what's good about being single? What's good about being single?
I believe that there's a time for everything. And I believe that being single is not limiting you to do things couples do. Because being single is not saying, I am strong, I am complete, and one day that one true love will come to me in God's perfect time. When you're mature, when you're blessed, and when you're satisfied. Thank you.
Gusto ko nung nakakot ko yung mga niyonan eh. Sabi ko sa basta. Laki. Bakit hindi mo yung person? Yes, please.
Candidate number 20.
Alala niya kasi yung mga niyonan ko.
Candidate number 20.
Yes. Sabi,
She looks like a one-way mother.
lahat pala kulang na.
Oh,
Where are you from? Okay, ano ang pinakamasarap at dinadayong produkto ng Santa?
First is Guma. Guma is a rice product which can only be found in Santa Rita. It is harvested during November and December, and there's a Guma festival celebrated during December. And it is visited by a lot of people because its taste is sour and it explodes in your mouth when it's swallowed.
Next, please. Number 21.
Candidate number 21. Where are you from, candidate number 21?
I'm from the municipality of Santa Cruz.
Where are the supporters of Santa Tomas? Here we are.
Ano mo ba sa Santa Tomas? Napakasaya ng mga tao. Hanggang ang kanilang bayan. Mula sa mga nabubuhay hanggang sa mga namatay. Meron sila. And you know what's good about it? Pag sa Santa Tomas, may pinili ang kabaong, buy one, pay one. After Santa Tomas, may impact na. Promise! Okay. Oh! Sino ang New York yun? Are you from there? Are your eyes open or you're closed? Thank you. Kasi mama mo para si Alex ko. Alex, open your eyes. Very pretty. Pwede mo pa. Round three, four. Okay, ready? How old are you now? Do you have a boyfriend? Good news, Alex. Another problem. Another problem. If you don't behave, you get a free basket. Deliver tomorrow. Okay. You go to school?
Yes, sir.
Of course I take now.
I'm taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major.
Wow! Major in English. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it.
Alright, don't worry, you got my office. We got English, alright? That's fine. Okay, commercial free. Thank you very much.
Sa smile. Sir, eto yung mga pinagmamalan ko kasi ang pinagmamalan. Ito po sila yung may authentic na color. Kasi po ganito yun. Sa pinagmamalan ko. Kasi sir, di ko pa talaga ako, model ng grupo, hindi na. Sa kanilang patatagpuan, pinaka-authentic na pamahalaan.
At saka malambing.
Ano na natin?
Malambing ka. Tapos ito na. What do you want to be 5 years ago?